I recently won this Defiler off eBay, and I'm not particularly happy with the pose on it, so I'm going to change it up a bit, and I figured I'd take you guys along the journey with me. After about an hour and a half, this is where I'm at. The tail is 2 Defiler legs. The new battle cannon is an old Lehman Russ cannon. The hull is a Lehman Russ. There is autocannons coming out of its mouth. There is flamers on its claws. So he still is WYSIWYG. He's not the most optimal loadout, but I do enjoy the look of this, and that's why I did this. So now I'm gonna prime him up. So this is it after I primed it up. As you can see, it sits a little bit taller than my normal Defiler, so you can't get called out for modeling for advantage. There really wasn't much to the build. We just cut up old legs, repositioned them, and made a tail out of another set of legs, and I repositioned the front claws. The hull is just a Lehman Russ, literally glued right to the top of the old Defiler body. And now I'm going to show you how I painted it. First up, we take Balthazar's gold and we paint all the trim around the arms and his stinger. Then we take Death Guard green and we paint all the shields on the end of his arms and the whole of the Lehman Russ. Next, we take Lead Belcher, we paint all the claws, the cannon, and all the hydraulic pipes. And this is where I had to call it for the day because my kids woke up and were not okay with me painting. But this is what it should look like at this stage. We got a lot of the base colors down. It's been a couple days because life happened, but so what I've done is I've gotten the base colors down and I've given it an Agrax wash. We've also gone through and painted up the bottom of it. So the only thing that you guys have missed is basically touching up the base colors and then giving it an Agrax wash. We did the flamers with red, and that's it. Now I'm going to take Typhus Corrosion and I'm going to give all the joints a thick coat of it, and I'm going to put it anywhere I think rust would build up on the model.
Then we take Rise of Rust and we dry brush all over the Typhus Corrosion and anywhere else you want to give a nice little rust effect. Next, I take Nurgle's Rot, and I go pretty heavy with this in some areas because this is a conversion, and it didn't go as smoothly as I'd like in some areas. So I hit it heavy with the Nurgle's Rot, and it hides a lot of the gaps. But do this to your liking. And that's it. This was my first major conversion. I hope y'all liked it. If you enjoyed it or it helped, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you all again. Have a great day.